All right, so this is my blacksmithing forge. In case you didn't know, I do some blacksmithing videos. Go for it, Nathan. Hit that thing.
Hey, me.
Whoa, hold on.
You just hold it and you just hit the side. That'll come in handy. So.
Yeah, you're doing good now. Yeah, flipping it over.
Or I can. I have to help you. Nathan wants to hit me.
Don't hit. All right, got a tight little ball right there. Look at this. Kind of bounces. Okay. Hey, I think I got an idea. Oh, watch my finger. There we go.